Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about this awesome product by a company called ESR. This is the HaloLock Vegan Leather MagSafe Compatible Wallet Stand. And that is a mouthful because this is a tiny little product that packs in a lot of amazingly awesome features. And it is by a company called ESR. ESR makes awesome MagSafe compatible products, and they have their own MagSafe technology. They call it HaloLock, and it just means that they use really strong magnets in their magnetic ring so that all of their accessories for MagSafe iPhones work great, and they use strong magnetic attachment to make sure that things stay where they're supposed to. And this vegan leather wallet stand is no exception. So what is this? Well, first of all, let's take a real quick look at what comes in the box. Really awesome packaging by ESR, always premium packaging. You open it up, pull it out, and what do you have? You have your nice wallet in there, and again, and you see where that magnetic ring is in the wallet, and then you have places for 3 cards in the wallet. So let's take a really close look at the wallet so you can see all the places for the cards. First off, you have this place on the outside, and that is for a card. It has a nice little cutout on the bottom to make it easy to push that card up to get that card out. Then when you open it up on the inside, you have a place for a driver's license or similar, and nice windows so that you can see all the information through there, and it's also easy to pull it out if you need to. And then on the other side, you have space for one additional card to be held in there as well. And what's great about this is if this was just a MagSafe wallet, that would be awesome. But no, it's more than that. Besides being a MagSafe wallet that holds 3 cards, it is a stand. It is a stand that has really great angles. So it has a really strong hinge that will stick in place at whatever angle you put it at. And so you can have your phone in a million different angles. Literally, it's crazy how many different angles you can get out of this stand. And not only does it work when your phone's in that vertical mode, but because they're using that HaloLock technology, as long as you're using it with MagSafe phone or MagSafe case on a MagSafe phone, you can put the phone into horizontal mode and it will stick as well. So you can get a bunch of different angles with your phone using the stand in vertical mode, but using the phone in horizontal mode because it will hold your phone with no issues at all. And again, because you have all those different angles, you can have a lot of different cool angles. No matter what angle you're looking at your phone, you can get your phone into the right angle for optimal viewing. So this is a very simple product, but works really great. You've got the place for the 3 cards so that you can put your driver's license or an ID, and then 2 important cards like a credit card or something like that. And then you've got this stand technology built into it so that once you've attached this to your phone, it's going to hold your phone. It's not going to fall off. As you can see, really super strong magnets, but you've got so many options in terms of the angles of the stand that you can use. And you can use your phone in horizontal mode or in vertical mode. You can use your phone in horizontal with the stand in vertical in order to get that floating sort of effect. So really excellent product by ESR. Again, their HaloLock technology is great, and it is also great in this vegan leather wallet. Really awesome. If you're looking for something like this, a wallet for your phone, if you have a MagSafe compatible phone, then this is the one to get, because you'll get a place for those 3 cards as well as a built-in stand that can be really useful and helpful to have with you. And when it's closed, it's very thin and adds almost no bulk to your phone. So that's just an added feature because, again, it's slim fit for 3 cards so that it doesn't take up a lot of space. So really excellent product by ESR, and definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.